Good morning, grade 2. So here we are at our topic for module 2 in the second quarter. Addition without regrouping. So before we proceed to our lesson, let us have a review or recap of what our previous lesson. Addition, concept, and properties. So parts of addition sentence and properties of addition. So we have previously discussed this one. So let's discuss what part of this. 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. And 5 plus 2 are what we call the addends. So they are the numbers that we add. Okay? And the bottom part is 7, or it is the answer. What we call sum. Or some and others call it total. Okay? So 5 plus 2 is 7. And here 5 plus 2 is equal to 7. The plus is what we use in addition. This is called the plus sign. Okay? Now, we have also discussed the properties of addition. So, what are those properties? See, the associative property, commutative property, and identity property. So, associative property, it means changing the grouping. Doesn't change the sum or total. Example, 2 plus quantity 1 plus 5 is equal to quantity 2 plus 1 plus 5. Ang magka-partner po dito ay 1 plus 5 sa left side. And then sa right side, naging 2 plus 1. Nagpalit po sila ng partner. So, nagkapalit sila ng grouping. So, even though it will not change the sum or the total of the equation or the problem. So, 2 plus, what is 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. And the other side, quantity 2 plus 1 plus 5. Close plus 5. So 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 5 is still 8. So 8 is equal to 8. It doesn't change its sum or total. Let's proceed with the commutative property. Commutative property, it is the changing the order doesn't change the sum or total. Pag nagkapalit sila ng pwesto, walang magbabago sa kanilang answer. So, 3 plus 4 plus 2 ay equal din po yan sa 4 plus 2 plus 3. So, 3 plus 4 is 7 plus 2 is 9. So, 4 plus 2 is 6 plus 3 is also 9. So, it doesn't change anything. And in identity property, any number added to 0 will not change the sum or total. So 9 plus 0 will still be the other number. 11 plus 0 is 11. 15 plus 2 plus 0, the answer will be 17. The 15 plus 2 plus 0. So 15 plus 2 is 17. So the answer will be 17. Okay? So that's it for our review in properties of addition. We could now proceed to addition without regrouping. So addition without regrouping means there will be no any number to be carried out to the other number. Okay? So let's proceed. How do we add? So addition is the process of putting two or more numbers together. So in adding 3 or 4 digit numbers without the grouping, align first all the numbers on the right hand side. So papantayin nyo daw yung mga numbers sa right. Next, add the ones, the tens, and the hundreds. And lastly, the thousands. So paano yon? So let's have a simple addition. So how many apples do we have? So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then, how many apples are at the bottom? There are 2. So, if we add them together, if we count them all together, so we have 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay? So, let's have another. So, how many candies are there? Yes, it is 6. And how about this one? So, there are 3. So, how many candies are there in all? So, what we're going to do? So, we need to add 6 plus 3. The answer will be 9, yes. So, let's have this addition problem. So, 42 plus 36. So, we need to align them at the right side. So, pantay. Hindi pwedeng na katapat ni 3 si 2 kasi lalabas si 6. So, dapat po pantay sila dito sa right. So, pantay sila dito sa gilid. Okay po? So, dapat pantayan. Parang nakasandal sa wall. Okay? Dapat pantay. Okay? So, we need to add first the ones side. Yung ones. Then, sunod natin i-add yung tens. Okay? So, the ones. So, 2 plus 6 is... So, if we are going to add them, get the higher number. So, 6. So, we need to add the 2. 6, 7, then 8. So, we will write 8. So, in 4 plus 3, we need to get the 4. Then, add 3. So, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So, the answer is 7. So, our final answer would be 78. Okay? So, how about in the hundreds or 3-digit numbers? So, from the right side, dapat pantay din po. Okay, dapat pantayan. Okay? So, let's have 3 plus 5. So, we need to get the higher number para mas madali pong mag-add. So, get 5. Then, add 3. 6, 7, 8. So, we have 8. So, write it down at the bottom part. So, next, proceed to the 7 and the 1. So, we need to get 7. So, 7 plus 1 is 8. And, lastly, so 6 plus 3 gets 6. And add 3. 6, 7, 8, 9. So, our final answer would be 988. Yes. So, next one. So, how about this one? 3-digit plus 2-digit number. So, there's no problem about that. So, you just always need to write them at the right side. So, align them at the right side. Okay po? So, then proceed to addition. So, 4 plus 3. So, 4, 5, 6, 7. The answer is 7. Then, 2 plus 7. So, anong kukunin natin malaking number? Si 7. So, 7, 8, 9. So, we will write 9. And since 4 plus wala, so para lang din siyang may 0, pero wala naman nakalagay, so we will just going to bring it down. Ilalagay lang po natin siya doon sa bottom part. 4. So, the final answer is 497. Okay? So, let's have 3-digit numbers. So, 9 plus 0 is 9. 3 plus 5, 5, 6, 7. So, we have 8. And, how about 7 plus 2? 7, 8. Okay, the answer is 9. So, 9. The final answer is 989. So, let's have a book activity on your page 72. Let us answer the first one. Okay? So, 213 plus 371. So, you're going to add them in your writing. You will write your answer inside the bottom part. So, yung sa ilalim na big blank box, ilalagay natin. So, 3 plus 1 is 4. And then, 1 plus 7 or 7 plus 1 is, yes, it is 8. And 3 plus 2 or 2 plus 3 is 5. Okay? So, you will answer your book activity and you're going to send the image of your answer to me through Messenger. Okay? Thank you, and this is our lesson for Math 2 Module 2 Addition without Regrouping. Okay po? So, let's discuss your module. So, in your module, so you will answer in tuning in. You're going to write how many numbers are there in all. So collect all the numbers and shapes along the way. Write all the numbers inside the crab. Inside the crab on the next page, and draw all the shapes inside the shell. So how many are the numbers that you can see in the illustration? So you will write it, all the numbers here at the bottom part. You will write the numbers here, and you will answer the question, how many numbers are there in all? And you will write the letters here that you see, and how many shapes are there in all. Shapes po ang hinahanap. So these are the numbers. You can see the numbers here and the shapes. Okay, you will draw the shape and answer the question, how many shapes are there in all. Okay, and then you could scan the video, the QR code, or you could study the book on page 68 to 70, and then answering the guide questions below after you have read or after you have watched the video. Okay, and then in activity 3 you will answer the following questions. The following you will find for the sum. Write your answer inside the box. And in letter B, you will going to write it vertically. So this is the horizontal part, yung patagilid, and yung vertical part is yung patayo. So it's better to add na iso-rewrite mo siya ng patayo, and make sure that the alignment of the numbers pantay po sa kanan. Okay? Magkatapat yung ones, magkatapat yung tens, magkatapat yung hundreds and thousands. Okay? So then in task 4, answer the word problem by writing the statement here inside the box. Okay? And find the answer. Okay? Showing your solution. Okay po? And in reflection, think back over your learning. So make a splash. I learned what I learned, and I want to learn, and I learned. So ano yung natutunan nyo? Okay? So that's the end of our module 2. Thank you. And here at the last part is the activity project. So you're going to answer the following activities, and you're going to color them according to the given keys. Example, your answer is 596. You will color it blue. And if the answer is 947, you will color it pink. Okay? Same goes with the other colors: blue, pink, yellow, orange, green, purple, white, and red. So you're going to color them according to the given answers that you get. Okay po? So we have the following criteria. So correctness 15, creativity 5, neatness 5, for a total of 25. Okay, so this is your video activity. You're going to use colored pencil. Okay, use colored pencil. Okay, so that's it for our module 2. Thank you and God bless.